What's the best decision you can make for your new baby? The best decision you can make for your new baby is to keep your relationship strong with your partner. A new baby brings a time of excitement and a time of big changes. Changes occur in your roles, your dreams, and your goals. Every culture in the world considers the birth of a child as a time of hope and growth. Customs and rituals for new parents are different around the world. A new baby changes family dynamics and brings change to family relationships. The first few years of a child's life are so important in their development. The baby's brain is growing so fast before birth and continuing into early childhood. Positive or negative experiences can add up and shape a child's development and have lifelong effects. Children grow and learn best where they can feel safe, where they know their needs are going to be met, and are shielded from stress and conflict. These same years can be a big challenge for the parents' relationship. 67% of parents experience a significant drop in relationship satisfaction after the birth of a child. This drop can be marked by increased conflict between the parents and a decrease in the feeling of connectedness. The key to happiness for your baby's benefit and yours is to make your relationship a priority. The Bringing Baby Home program can help. Bringing Baby Home is an educational program for pregnant couples and families with children up to 3 years of age. It was designed and created by relationship experts, Drs. John and Julie Gottman, at the Relationship Research Institute in Seattle, Washington. The goal of the program is to improve the quality of life for babies and children by strengthening the parental relationship. Dr. Gottman's research showed that couples who participated in the program experienced a significantly lower rate of postpartum mood disorders and depression, a decrease in relationship hostility, a higher level of relationship satisfaction, and a decrease in the likelihood of divorce. The content of the program evolved from Dr. Gottman's 40 years of marriage and family research and is designed to teach parents to increase their friendship, to decrease conflict, to keep dads involved in infant care and parenting, to improve the quality of the parent-infant interaction, recognizing the psychological and emotional needs of their child, and to learn to co-parent effectively. As a Gottman Institute-trained Bringing Baby Home facilitator, I'm excited to offer this program for expecting and new parents. If you'd like additional information, or if you're ready to register, please reach out to the Center for Relationships.